Agile. What does it mean developing a software in an agile way? So before understanding it, we have to understand that what agile is not. You can see here, agile is not a methodology. It's not the framework or a process. It's even not a phase or a stage. Okay, so it's not all of these three things. Then what is agile? So simply agile is the set of values and principles. We have to use the principles and the values of agile, and we have to use them in our daily life. But at least if not possible, then we have to use them at least in the business or in the company. Now, strictly saying that agile is a sort of belief in our mindset, and which gives a rise to the better decision making system, and through which we can develop the well or good quality software. And basically it's not basically agile doesn't make decisions for us, but it gives an foundations through which we can make the better decisions. Now, Agile Manifesto 68 words says that we have to give more value to certain things and little less value to other things. Okay, here you can see that on the left hand side, the list on the left hand side we have to give more value to them, and list on the right hand side we have to give a little less value. It doesn't say that you have to ignore those things or discard those things, but it just says the priority should be higher for these things. What are they? Individuals and individual and interaction. We have to give more value to these things rather than or instead of our process and tools. Okay, and we have to give more value to working software rather than our comprehensive documents. We have to give more preferences to the customer collaboration rather than our contract negotiation. We have to provide more preferences to the responding to change instead of our following a plan. Okay, so these were certain things that we have to follow as a set of values and principles in the agile, and there are basically 12 principles in the agile, and those includes the first one is the customer satisfaction. We have to think about it and we have to consistently work for it. Next is accommodate the changing, and third is frequently delivery of working software. Okay, as soon as possible to give certain working software or a part of working software to the customer. Okay, so a sort of we can say that a prototype model. Fourth one is collaboration between business stakeholders and developers throughout the project. Fifth is support, trust, and motivate the people involved. And sixth is enable face-to-face interaction. Okay, that is quite important for the communication. And seventh one is the working software is a primary measure of progress. If software is working, we can say that it's a progress. And then comes agile processes to support a consistent development pace. Then attention to the technical details and design enhances agility. Then comes the 10th, that is simplicity. We must have a simplicity in our design and in our certain features. Okay, because simplicity is the best beauty. And then comes the self-organizing team encourage great architect requirements and design. The last one is regular reflections on how to become more effective. So these were the 12 principles of the agile, and out of which a lot of principles we have studied earlier and even a lot more times. So thank you, that was it.